Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder of our beginner class on the 25th of January. We did a first mover man spin, a basket and a Wurlitzer. This is just an aid memoir, and if you need a recap of the teach, there's links to each of those videos in the description below. It goes like this, it goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And that's that. Hope you find that helpful. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you help promote the channel, and you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.